Hi everyone, I'm Jamie Humphrey. I am from Hill City, Minnesota. I am currently going to school through SMSU and taking this class through Alexandria Tech. I'm pursuing my ECSE degree and hope to be licensed hopefully by next year. Um, I work as early childhood para. I've done that for the last 6 years and I love my job. But I'm ready for more. I have three awesome kids. My son will be 15, one of my daughters will be 13, and my youngest is 8. We are also currently housing another 15-year-old, which has been pretty awesome. Um, Hobbies, we love to four wheel, we love to travel. We spend most of our weekends hitting the trails. Um, Other than that, some gains I hope to get from this class are to try to overcome the fear of public speaking. I'm sure I'm not alone, but I will be the first to admit that I waited till the last day to get this done because I absolutely hate doing this right now. Um, so hopefully just trying to get my nerves in order and get over talking to people and standing up in front of everyone. Thanks. Have a great day.